Assalamualaikum students. Hope you all are fine student. In the previous video I give you the explanation and question answers of chapter 2 characteristics of living thing. Now I will give you the book exercises. Some points are written on the board, the rest of points on the book. The question number 1 is choose the correct answer. Another word for movement is locomotion, growth, respiration. The answer is locomotion. We need to look after plants and animals because they are cute. They cannot look after themselves, or we depend on each other for life. The answer is we depend on each other for life. Now the second question is fill in the blanks. Human and other animals take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. The second point is plant make their own dash by a process photosynthesis. The answer is food. Now question number 3 is mark these sentences with tick or wrong. Plant never move. It's a wrong. Only plant cell chloroplast. It's a right. Only plant cell chloroplast. Label the diagram below with the stages of the life cycles of a flowering plant. This is the stage of a flowering plant. The first stage is seed. Then it is fruit with germination. Third is seedling. Fourth is adult plant. And the last stage is fruit with seed. Thank you. Now do this work in your textbooks. I am giving you the pictures of the answers below the video. Thank you.